a two, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
अब समय आ गया.
Good evening, Vancouver.
Welcome to the most happening musical extravaganza of the year.
King of hearts, king of romance, and the Bacha Bollywood. You are the brightest, the loudest, the warmest, the craziest.
And with that love from all of you, I'd like to give you a Jadoo Ki Chappi.
Thank you very much, Vancouver.
Times of India Film Awards. Toifa, the biggest Bollywood award show in the history of Indian entertainment, is coming to Dubai. City 1016 is proud to be the official UAE radio partner for the awards.
City
1016.
UAE's #1 Bollywood radio station.
Come, quickly, right now. That is Meghna, that is Fatana's. So we just asked her, Meghna, that, how did she become Varun Dhawan?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm feeling really bad that she's...
I know. I wish we could have given you more than just call you in. This is Dry Master Gogo, and just in case you're wondering, wait, none of these voices sound like Karishma and Tarun, who actually एक लंबी drive पे गए हैं, and they've literally forgotten us, but they'll be back very, very soon. And keeping me company is the one, the only Parikshit.
Very handsome, कौन बोलेगा?
हाँ, the one, the only Parikshit. तूने कब बोल दिया? मुझे बोलने की जरूरत
So,
नहीं है.
by the way, I think everybody knows that we are the official radio partners for
Yeah.
Times of India Film Awards! And कल press conference हो रही है, hosted by our very own, very handsome Tarun and very gorgeous. I hope I'm getting it right.
Yes,
Karishma. Otherwise,
You
I'd
did
say
call
very
Karishma
handsome
handsome.
Karishma. है ना? Perfect.
Yes.
Varun Dhawan.
And Jacqueline Fernandez are going to be there.
Exactly, and that's why we got the biggest Varun Dhawan fan in the studio, Fatina. Now, let me tell you something about her. जब मैं और मेघना, Arabian Center में दिलवाले का जब host कर रहे थे.
Oh, she was right in front.
And you know what time she reached there? The show started at about 8:30.
Right.
She reached there by 11:30 a.m. just to catch a glimpse of Varun Dhawan from the first row.
Partners, correct me if I'm wrong, that you came all the way to Arabian Center, but you didn't even meet her, right? Yes, I did.
And she flew in from Bahrain that day just to catch a glimpse of one. She actually runs a Twitter fan page. It's the biggest Twitter, fan page handle for Varun Dhawan. It's called Varun Dhawan Fan Club. तुम्हारा क्या Twitter handle? What's your Twitter handle?
Mr. Varun Dhawan. मतलब आप तो बहुत ही ambitious हैं, which is a good thing. You never know.
Yeah, so we
never
were
know.
feeling a
You
bit
never
bad that we didn't get
Yeah.
you to meet Varun Dhawan. Even today, there's a meet and greet happening. And so that's why we just called you to the studio to give you some tickets for a movie and, to just interview you on it.
Yeah, because we started thinking, okay, Varun Dhawan's in the UAE. Let's talk about his biggest fan.
Okay, grab a chair, sit down. I'm gonna surprise you.
Why are you doing this? Okay, in 1, 2, 3.
You're getting a chance to meet Varun Dhawan tomorrow at the press conference! Woohoo! We almost had Varun Dhawan on the phone line to talk to you, but he was busy with the shoot, so that's why we thought we should just call you in and tell you that you're getting a chance to meet Varun Dhawan one-on-one tomorrow for the press conference of Times of India Film Awards!
You are getting a chance to meet Varun Dhawan, okay?
Sorry for being awkward. Thank you. The 2 opportunities that I got since I came here is because of City 1016, so I can't thank you enough for this.